I remember that. Well, as a child growing up in a family that just pretty much ignorant about dentistry, my parents had relatively good teeth, and I thought that they thought that we were going to turn out the same way. Didn't work like that. Of course, after I left home and life was difficult, and I still didn't pursue dentistry. Ignorance persisted until one day it got to the point where I said, okay, now I need to really do something. Well, yeah, of course, it began with cavities, and then after long periods of time, then extractions. My front teeth began to show signs of wear and some hidden cavities that I was unaware of. I found the Smile Institute. I came in, and the dentist I was working with, she made me aware that I didn't know how to smile. However, she also made me aware that what was available, what was possible, and that just elated me. I knew something was at hand, something I could reach. I was just excited. I was in this new world. I was so excited that I was one day gonna laugh with my mouth wide open. I made the decision for the option of repairing my teeth as soon as I heard that these things were possible. After the initial pain wore off from the extractions, after that healed, it was basically nothing. It was like every day. I quickly adjusted to it as though they were my teeth, As far as I was concerned, these are my teeth. My smile is everything now, and I'm truly grateful.